Hey lovely family, welcome to your favorite cooking channel. This is Cooking with Abba. Today I'm going to be making one quick fix way to have your fish, and I'm going to use a microwave. So I have the mackerel, then I've got some oil from when you buy the tuna chunks, the oil around it. So I did a recipe with the tuna chunks with the oats, crunchy oats fried. I separated the oil. So I just used that oil in here as well. Any oil would also work as well. Then I have vegetables. I've got onions, I've got bay leaves, I've got blended ginger, which is on my channel, how to store your ginger. I've got some garlic and pepper, which is both the red, normal, and then the bell pepper, and some salt and local spice as well. So I just wanted to season the fish or cook the fish, but I wasn't going to do. You see on my channel, I already have fish recipe where I cooked one in the glass bowl in water. I cooked one on the grill pan, and I did one baked recipe. Yes, so this is another twist I did where I used the microwave. So I ended up blending all the blendables, blend all the vegetables and the spice and the salt together. Then you just need to put everything together with the oil into the microwave and you're done. So because I love onion, I just spread a little fresh onion in there. So by the time it cooks, I'll still get some onion to chew when I'm eating. So all I did was just blend the wet ingredients in my blender. Initially, I didn't want to add water, but I realized it was having a hard time blending. So I just added in a little bit of water to help the blender blend. Then everything went onto the fish. Then I just had to close it and then put it in the microwave for just 10 minutes. And the fish was well cooked in there, like emu being a pa. So if your gas runs out, if you're like, you don't have to always do like stove top. If your gas runs out and you still want to eat your fish, you know your microwave is there. If you want to save time, less stress, less work, you just need your microwave and you are good to go because it's a good source of cooking heat for you as well. So I just make sure that every part of the fish had enough of the sauce all around it. And the beauty is when you're done, you're still going to get the peppery bits like pepper sauce, and so you can still eat it with your eba and things and enjoy it. And the oil, because it's from the tuna chunks, it already has a bit of omega-3 added kind of vibes in, but there's also omega-3 coming from the fish as well. So there's one easy peasy for those of you who love fish, and if you love eba or eto or banku, this is one recipe you definitely want to try, and it's going to save you a lot of time as well. So I just put it into the microwave, give it 10 minutes, and then just wait for it to just do its own thing. And within 10 minutes, it will cook to the bone, like very, very well cooked in there as well. So this is one recipe I'd really love you to try it out because it's simple and it's healthy and it's very, very tasty. The only thing is you have to be careful of the type of fish you are using because it's going into the microwave and things. You have to make sure that you really clean your fish well. You really wash your fish well before it goes in there. Garbage in, garbage out. If you use quality fish, which is well cleaned, well washed and things, you're going to get good results. You can check my fish recipes on to see how to clean your fish or how to work with your fish as well. So yes, when it came out, I realized the top was a bit crusty in there. It was nice, very nice. So yes, you can just scoop this out and enjoy it with your gari or anything you want to eat it with. Easy and kind of conscious show. Another eto show, another banku show, another eba show. Show vibes and got as a co. So as I say in the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry. Lots of love for my team and I. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Mwah.